Okay, let's do a boiled beef with hot oil. This is a very, very exciting, very spicy, very tasty Sichuan dish. Let's get some garlic and some cilantros ready. Go ahead and wash this and put this aside. And let's also get some green onion ready. And ginger, of course. Ginger, green onion, and garlic, those are what I call 3Gs. These are key ingredients for Sichuan dish. Peel the ginger, so this way you don't eat the brown spot inside. Let's also get some napa cabbage ready. Chop the end off and wash each leaves and set this aside. Cut the end of the garlic first and then crush it for easy chopping. For garlic, there is some sticky liquid outside it. Go ahead, rinse it with cold water. This step is a very good step to wash out those liquid. This way, when you fry the garlic, they don't get bitter. Slice some ginger and set this aside. Now the green onion. Here I cut these two bigger pieces. This and the ginger I sliced earlier. This will be used for stir fry. Now I chop some small pieces, leaves only, for garnish. Cilantro is optional. If you like cilantro, this is adding so much flavor. Put it aside. Now for the napa cabbage, break the pieces. Make sure you separate the stem from the leaves. The stems usually take a couple minutes longer to cook. Go ahead, set this aside. Enoki mushroom. You can find this in Asian grocery store. Go ahead, chop the end off and wash it. Also, cut this to a little bit smaller pieces. Squeeze out the excessive water. Stem lettuce is a very unique Asian ingredient. You can find this in a lot of Asian grocery store. Go ahead, peel it, and then slice this to thin pieces. Stem lettuce, not only does it look really good, but also it's very nutritious and it was so flavorful. And set this aside. For the beef, you want to cut it when it's halfway thawed. You want to cut it to about 2 coin size thickness. Add a little bit brown pepper, a little bit white pepper for base flavor, and put a little bit sugar and a little bit salt, and also put a little bit chicken bouillon to enhance the flavor. Of course, a little bit soy sauce, and rub it carefully. And then add a little bit water to tenderize it. So this beef, I use the pot roast cut with some marble pattern. So this beef is really nice and tender. Cut it perpendicular with the fiber. So that's really nice and tender. And put a little bit starch and a little bit oil in there. This will serve as coating. So when you boil this, it will be very easy for you to separate these pieces. Set it aside. Now let's get some oil ready. Fry the big piece of green onion I chopped earlier and the ginger slice. Once the aroma is out, put a little bit fava bean sauce in there. This Sichuan fava bean sauce adds a lot of unique flavor. Make sure you turn the heat to a little bit lower because it will stick to the bottom. Put the stem of the napa cabbage in there, fry it a little bit. And once the stem is a little bit softened, go ahead, put the leaves in there and stir it for another minute. Now add the mushroom in there and again stir fry it. You want the mushroom to touch some hot oil to thoroughly cook it. Now let's put some water in there. So I want to have plenty of water to boil the beef and everything. So I have 4 cups here and add some flavor in there. Once you bring everything to a boiling, go ahead and add the stem lettuce in there. So these ingredients here, it's optional for you to put any thin sliced vegetable that's tasting good in the soup. But in this case, I picked these 3. Now let's slide very small amount of the beef in the soup and don't stir it until you see some color start to change. Then once it turns pink, fish these out And don't worry if it's pink, you feel like it's not cooked, you're not done yet. Add the second batch in there, do the same thing. Now you want to add the hot soup. At this step, your beef is still being cooked. Now get some hot oil. I use cold pressed peanut oil. Bring it to 200 Celsius. Add some garlic and brown pepper and the chili pepper on top of the beef and a little bit sesame. Now the oil is ready. Put a little bit red chili and the Sichuan brown pepper. Pour the hot oil on the garlic. Oh, that sizzle. That smells so good. Now you add the garnish on top. And again, cilantro is optional. If you like it, go ahead, add it to it. Now enjoy this delicious boiled beef in hot oil.